How to turn on or turn off customized setting on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, click on this search icon and search customize. So after click on customize apps, you will see customize app is here. So click on customize apps. So if you want to turn on or turn off customized app, so click on customized app. So after click on customized app, you will see settings here. So if you want to turn off customized app, so turn off this button, you will see customize app is turn off. So if you want to turn on customized app, so turn on this button, you will see customize app is turn on. So you will turn on or turn off customized app from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off customize settings on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.